Hey guys, my name is Alves. I'm from Holland. Yes, you can see a friend of mine. Is also at the ForexSniperSchool. He's studying right now. We're going to study together. I'm here to tell you guys about the course. Um, the course of Scarlet is something I never seen before. I never knew that the markets had so many opportunity really. And it's just because all the technical analysis I did and I learned from her. Now I'm at the mental psychology section. And I'm here to tell you guys who's going to start, thinking to start. Don't take it. Don't take the course as something you're just going to do, because I have learned that you really need to change yourself and grow as a person, so you can grow in forex also. So um, it's really was like a mirror for myself. I started with the course, technical. I didn't pass everything at once, but it wasn't really that hard. I just study. Okay, that's something I can learn. I learned the technical analysis, and I thought, yes, I can go trade. But the mental part of the course is really hard. So yes, so I'm in my journey, and I've learned that for my balance to grow on MetaTrader 4, I need to grow with it. I can't expect to see $1 million on that and still be the same person. To be consistent and to follow this course, you need to be serious, dedicated, and want this so bad, like you want to breathe or something. Because what Scarlet is giving you guys is gold. It's gold. And if you pay this course and don't get the maximum out of it, it's like driving a Lamborghini and staying in the first gear and thinking, why I cannot hit the maximal speed. So if you come to the course, you need to level up. Scar is a great teacher. She's there for you. Definitely, she's there for you. You have everything you need. You got a good teacher. You got a really, 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 really great trading plan, a really good way to trade. Really, you can do everything. There are so many opportunities in the market, and you will never be alone. For people that have done a couple courses and they're done with the course and they never speak to the person again, ForexSniperSchool is definitely not that. If you come here, you give it all you have, I will ensure your Lamborghini will drive at top speed. My name is Alves. I probably will make a film at the end of the course. I hope if it can, and I will show you how I am then. But now I'm still learning. I know I'm in good hands. I know what she's teaching me is gold. And now, yeah, I need to do my thing. I need to level up and grow so that my balance can grow with me. If I stay the same, I'm not going to see the results that I want, and I won't pass the course. Really, this is the first course that I did. That I need to do 2 exams. So it's like school, but harder. Cause school I passed like with 10 fingers in my nose, and here I'm like, what the fuck? But yes, you see Flavio at the back. He's also doing the course. He's studying right now. And yes, yesterday we studied like till 5 o'clock in the night. So we're gonna do the same today. So yes, don't just yes, just
20 pips a day, keep the job away.